Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated with the latest stock market news and updates. दोस्तों, एक स्टॉक का मार्केट वैल्यू और इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू में फर्क होता है। मार्केट वैल्यू तो आप एक सेकंड में गूगल करके पता लगा सकते हैं, but it's more important to know a stock's intrinsic value. Intrinsic value is the true value of a security, regardless of the current market consensus. अगर मार्केट एक कंपनी को मिसजज करता है तो ये कंपनी का स्टॉक प्राइस अंडरवैल्यूड या ओवरवैल्यूड हो सकता है। In such a case, a rational investor will try to calculate the intrinsic value of the stock to form his judgment. Here are 5 things you should look at to get closer to a company's intrinsic value. 1. Corporate governance. ये एक qualitative measure है। You can't find your management quality with a formula. एक कंपनी के टॉप डिसीजन मेकर्स के पास्ट परफॉर्मेंस और फिलॉसफी जानकर आप कॉर्पोरेट गवर्नेंस का अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं। 2. Peer group analysis. To find out the intrinsic value of a company, compare it with its peer group. अगर आप एक ऑयल कंपनी में इन्वेस्ट करने का सोच रहे हैं तो दूसरी ऑयल कंपनीज के साथ कंपेयर कीजिए। Look at the operating cost, equity to debt ratios, margins, supply chain dependencies and so on. ये डिटेल्स आपको कंपनीज के क्वार्टरली रिपोर्ट्स, एनुअल रिपोर्ट्स और फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्ट्स में मिलेगी। These fundamentals will hint at the intrinsic value of the stock. 3. Asset-based valuation. Intrinsic value ढूंढने के लिए कंपनी के liabilities को कंपनी के assets में से subtract कीजिए। This method is useful if you can account for both tangible and intangible assets as well as liabilities. Things like a company's brand, the CEO's reputation are intangible but important. 4. Discounted cash flow, DCF analysis. In a DCF analysis, an investor first adds up the future cash flows of the company. Then he discounts the sum with expected volatility, future inflation, and the rate of return from elsewhere. Investors typically use the rate of return from safe assets like government bonds here. After discounting, the investor obtains the intrinsic value of a stock. Finding the intrinsic value even roughly helps investors make better buy and sell decisions. अगर intrinsic value market value से ज्यादा है, then it might be a good time to buy. अगर intrinsic value market value से कम है, then it might be a good time to sell. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more interesting stock market updates and stories. Until then, stay safe and happy investing.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.